friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with Belle. So how are you doing, guys? I know you are doing awesome, right? Yep. I mean, in this pandemic we are pulling through. Trust me. How is the pandemic at your end? For me, at my end, I mean, everything is normal, everything is cool. How about you? Okay, don't worry, everything is going to be all right. Okay, so I mean, keep pushing. We are pulling through, as I always say. I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You don't know how it means a lot to me. Okay, thank you. So guys, in this video you're going to do tutorials and review. Okay, so I got this hair unboxing and tutorial from Youngther store. I'm going to write the name there, Youngther store on Amazon. It was $39.32 with a 10% discount. Okay, so Youngther store on Amazon, guys. I mean, let's unbox it. So now when you receive a package from Amazon, you want to check well, because now the package are reusable. Okay, so I mean, you want to check well and know how to open it so that you can be able to use to mail. So this can be able to use to mail another order or something. Okay. So guys, this is a butterfly locks from Youngther store on Amazon. Okay, so I got it 39.32 cents with a 10% discount, guys. Yeah, so I think it's really affordable. So this is 6 packs. Let's open it and see what is in there. I always tell you, search for goodies. Okay, always there are goodies in the package. So it came with this, a ring, to decorate. I say I am selling crochet pin. Okay, so hit me up. It has this. Oh wow, it looks cute. The color. Oh my, wow. So this help for easy styling. Yep, I think that's it. I'm still looking for more goodies. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. I've not fixed it, but I think this hair look cute. Yeah. So this is also another form of butterfly locks. So butterfly locks has a different kinds of butterfly locks. Okay, so some of them can be messy, some of them can be, I mean, smooth. Yeah, so this is also their kind of butterfly locks. Yep. I think this hair is really cute. Yeah, it looks nice on the mannequin. Yeah. So let's see. So with this, I'm gonna put it on. So I mean, you can always use, if it comes with a cane or you have this kind of thing, you can always use it to locate the part. Okay, if your part is difficult to locate, you can always use that. Yeah, I think it's good and it's beautiful. What do you think? Yeah. Yep. I mean, you want to go this way. I think this will be able to work out. Yep. Yeah. So I am not a fan of the gel thing. So I mean, if you think your hair is out, you can just put the gel and like have this baby thing, baby curls thing. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So I think it's affordable, and I think you want to get some, right? Yeah. Yeah. Butterfly locks from Youngther store. Okay. So you can also take it like back. So with this, because it's a little bit longer, so you're able to hold it with any pin. Yeah. I mean, if you have this one too, you can make a style out of it. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's nice with the thing here, but I mean, when you're in the mirror, you know how to, fix it, right? Yeah. Yeah. And if you want to leave it too, you can always leave it. Like, yeah, so you can also fix it with some headband. Yeah, any kind of headband of your choice. Yep. Yeah, so I mean, it is really affordable. Okay, so you want to get some. I'm going to keep the put the link in the description box so that you can easily make a purchase, and it comes with a 10% discount. So guys, I mean, you want to rush for it. So Youngther store on Amazon. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with BEL. And I will see you next time. Bye.